This video is going to show you how to use your calculator to find the 5-number summary and a box plot. First thing you want to do is click the Stat button and push Enter to edit your data. Now I already have data typed in. If you don't, you can go up, push Clear, down, and type in all the data that you'd like to have, as I've shown before. Then we want to get the 5-number summary. So I'm going to click on Stat, go over once to Calculate, and the first thing I want to find is the statistics about this one list of data. So one variable, statistics. Press Enter. It will appear on your screen, and you press Enter again. If you have a TI-84 calculator, it might also ask you to go down to the word Calculate, and you can go down to that, push Enter. Here are some interesting things it tells you. The first symbol, X with a line above it, that's called X bar. That is the mean, meaning the average of my data is 38.1. This S is standard deviation. We'll come back to that another time. The N equals 20 tells me that there are 20 pieces of data entered into my calculator's list. And then if you scroll down using the down arrow, you can see that 5-number summary. The minimum in my data was 6. The maximum in my data was 54. The median, the exact middle, was 41. The lower quartile, so the 25th percentile mark, 25% of the people had their data that was 30.5 or less, and the third quartile is 49, so 75% of the people were at 49 or less. There's my 5-number summary. Another thing I can do is I can make a box plot, a box plot to find that. So what I'm going to do is click on the Y equals, but I want it to be the stat plot, so I'm going to go Second, Stat Plot. Now my plot is turned on, so I'm going to push Enter. I do want the plot to say be on, but I want to change the type down to over to a box plot. And press Enter. Now if I click on Graph, my box plot appears. You may need to change the window of your graph. For example, the lowest data was 6 and it looks like it's going off the edge of the screen. So I need to make sure my graph shows all the way down to data of 6. So I'll probably start at 0. Now if I go back, I can see here's the 6 and all the way up. And if you want to find those exact numbers on your box plot scale, you can use the Trace button. So now it tells me at the bottom the median is 41 right here on this number line. The first quartile on the number line would be at about 30. And the minimum on this number line is at 6. And you can use the arrows to go back and forth to find your 5-number summary on the box plot and write it all on your homework paper.